Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I think it's extremely clear that this is still a 1, 2, 3 right here. We're now respecting the 200% fib, so I think that it's more likely that it is going to go up to at least a 168 and potentially higher than that to finish off a wave 3, probably eventually make a wave 4 and back up again for a wave 5. So definitely still primarily looking for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the weekly, like I said, we are going beyond the 200%. My next area of resistance is all the way up here, which is a little bit past the 168. So definitely still looking for longs. I think this is all a subdivision of wave 3. I think the major 1 and 2 that I showed on the monthlies right here, and then this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3, which means that once this wave 3 is over, we still need to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off this trend. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we most recently had another ABC correction, another 50% fib bounce, another entry to go long. You have to remember that the yen pairs have basically been in about a 4-year uptrend. So really the big money to be made on the yen pairs, even though most people are trying to catch these tops, is trying to go long at the end of every single pullback that you see for the continuation of what is about a 4-year uptrend. So we do have the end of a correction. I do think it is going to break these highs, and like I said, my target is at least a 168 area. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. We had a perfect little end of a correction down here. Nice little 5 waves down, nice little 3 waves up, nice little downtrend, 50% Fibonacci, break of structure, perfect end of a correction. This big move down right here was a little tricky, but I think it probably is a 1 and probably a 2, and I bet we are in a wave 3, which I do not believe is over, like I was explaining on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame, we do have a little bit of a consolidation going on right here, so maybe it is going to pull back. I mean, it does kind of seem like the yen basket is going to go up, which may actually cause this to go down, but what's most likely to happen is this going to be a correction, probably a correction to the last wave up, which is this right here. Throw your Fibonacci retracement on there. If it does break structure to the downside, wait patiently for 3 waves down, wait for impulsive up at a Fibonacci level to go long for the continuation of what I still think is a wave 3 on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.